Good news kabalita, notice of award para sa budget ng 3 bagong C-130J Hercules, at 2 long-range maritime patrol aircraft, para sa Philippine Airforce Acquisition Project, sa wakas, nilabas na. Notice to proceed, at sa pagpirma ng kontrata, alamin sa pagpapatuloy ng video na ito. According to the procurement monitoring list released by the Department of National Defense of the Philippines for second semester, 2022, the notice of award for which appears 3 C-130J Super Hercules transport aircrafts, and the long-range patrol aircrafts has been released, January 5, 2023. The NOAA was released on November 14, 2022, although it was amended on January 5, 2023, it would be remembered that the CERO for this project was released on August 2022. The Long-Range Maritime Patrol Aircraft Project is potentially for award to Israel Aircraft Industries, and/or its L2 Systems subsidiary, and will be using the ATR series of commercial twin-engine turboprop aircraft. The LRPA acquisition project of the PAF is one of the few remaining Horizon 1 phase project that has not reached finalization, considering it is one of the first projects of the Horizon 1 phase to be started back in late 2013. With the notice of award released with the two projects, it is a matter of time before the contract is signed and notice to proceed is released, or probably already signed and released subject to further confirmation. The Long-Range Maritime Patrol Aircraft and C-130js Hercules will greatly boost the capability of the Philippine Air Force, especially for patrol in the West Philippine Sea, and in humanitarian assistance and disaster response.